Hi, I'm Leanne Ford, and I'm so thrilled to be working with Legrand. I love this product. As an interior designer, I'm always looking for new building materials, and considering there are outlets and switches in every room in the house, I'm so happy to find such good-looking ones. The reason I love Legrand is they are functional, they are technologically ahead, but they're also good-looking. So when all of that comes together, that makes for one happy designer. Some of my favorite Legrand products, and honestly there's a lot of them, but some of my very favorites are the pop-out outlet. When you push it out, there's 3 outlets there for you, but when you push it in, it's clean, it's beautiful, and I don't have to hide outlets anymore in design. I also love the wireless charger from the Radiant collection, and that just cleans up cords. You pop your phone right on the wall. Nobody can steal your cords. That's important. And anything with the dimmer. So they've got a great collection of dimmers in the Adorn collection that I love. I love the wave switch from the Adorn collection. Just a wave of the hand turns your lights on and off. So in a time where we're all aware of germs, this is a great thing to install in your home. One of the best parts about Legrand is it's so easy to swap out your outlets and your switches. I mean, it's literally probably 10 minutes. Anybody can do it, which I know is surprising, but think about this. We spend so much time and money on the house, on the rooms, on the lights. We need to spend money on what we use to turn them on and off. So it's totally worth it, and it's easy to do.